हेलो बच्चों, कैसे हैं आप। आज हम एक नया टॉपिक शुरू कर रहे हैं और टॉपिक है फेस्टिवल्स। इंडिया इज अ लैंड ऑफ फेस्टिवल्स। देयर आर पीपल ऑफ वेरियस रिलीजन्स, सो वेरी ट्रेडिशंस एंड फेस्टिवल्स। इसका मतलब है हमारे भारत में बहुत सारे अलग अलग धर्मों के लोग रहते हैं, तो वो अलग अलग तरीके के उनके रीति रिवाज होते हैं और वो अलग अलग तरीके के त्योहार मनाते हैं। हमारी कंट्री इंडिया में हम 3 तरीके के फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं। सबसे पहला फेस्टिवल है बेटे हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल। हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल हम क्यों मनाते हैं? जो किसान है, जब उसकी पैदावार बहुत अच्छी होती है तो वो भगवान को धन्यवाद देने के लिए ये फेस्टिवल्स मनाते हैं। अगर इंग्लिश में बोले, वी सेलिब्रेट देम टू थैंक गॉड फॉर द गुड क्रॉप ही हैज गिवन अस। And in this category, there are some festivals like Baisakhi, which is celebrated in Punjab and Haryana. Then we have Onam. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. Then we have Pongal in Tamil Nadu. Then we have another category of festival, that is national festival. National नाम से समझ में आ रहा होगा, जिसे पूरा भारतवर्ष मनाता है। चाहे हम हिंदू हैं, मुस्लिम हैं, सिख हैं, ईसाई हैं, हम किसी भी धर्म को फॉलो करते हो, हम ये फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट करते हैं एज वन कंट्री इंडिया। तो फर्स्ट वन इज इंडिपेंडेंस डे। इंडिपेंडेंस डे, द डे ऑन विच वी गॉट फ्रीडम फ्रॉम द ब्रिटिश रूल, दैट 7th. So Independence Day is celebrated on each and every year on 15th August. Now what do we do on Independence Day? Prime Minister of our country delivers a speech from the Red Fort of Delhi. Then there is a parade, like in school different programs are being organized, national patriotic songs are being sung, dances are being done, speeches are there. Then sometimes children do some social work to celebrate this day. Then another national festival is Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January each year. Now before the day, that is on 25th of January, President of our country gives a speech for the nation. Then on the 26th of January, there is a parade, a huge parade being celebrated at the Raj Path in New Delhi. There are some guests being honored, some chief guests are being asked to come from different countries. So the parade is being worth seeing. Children, those who have done some bravery act, are being given bravery prizes. Then many Air Force people, Army, other professional defense people, those who have sacrificed their life for saving our country from the different say people, those who attack our country. It can be from Pakistan, from any country like so. So when they attack, so many soldiers, they die just to save ourselves, because we are residing in our house and they are fighting for us on the borders. So these people are being given bravery prizes. Some after the death, some are being honored for doing their bravery act. So this Republic Day is of very much importance. So and one more thing, Republic Day, what happened on the Republic Day? Our country became republic and our constitution came onto that act. So it was on 26th January 1950. Then third most festival is important national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd of October. On this day, we also celebrate the birthday of Lal Bahadur Shastri ji. There was once a Prime Minister of our country, India. So Gandhi Jayanti is being celebrated by doing some prayers being sung by Gandhi ji at its Samadhi at Rajghat near the bank of river Yamuna in Delhi. So Gandhi Jayanti is being celebrated on 2nd October every year by all the people of the country. Then comes the third category of the festival called as religious festivals. नाम से समझ में आ रहा है, religious, धर्मों का festival. Hindus, they celebrate different festivals, like we celebrate Holi, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, Dashera, etc. Now what is Holi? Holi is a festival of colors. So on that day, what do we do? A day before Holi, there are two Holis. One is small Holi and the another one is the main Holi, that is called as Dulhandi. Now what do we do on that day? First of all, we embrace each other and then we put gulal onto the faces, and a special sweet is being made for this day, that is gujia. People do make different types of chaat and enjoy Holi by singing and dancing. Then another important festival is Diwali. Diwali is called as the festival of light. So now, what do we do on Diwali? We decorate our house with lights, then rangolis, etc. around. And on the Diwali festival, we make different type of sweets. And in the evening, we do puja of Ganesh Bhagwan and Lakshmi Mata, just to shower blessings on us and our family. And at night, children, they burst crackers. Then a festival is there, Raksha Bandhan, that is a festival of brother and sister. Sister tie a rakhi on the wrist of her brother just to save her from any adverse situation if she faces. Then comes Dashera. Dashera is a festival of goodness over evil. So on this day, Lord Rama fought with Ravana, and Ravana died on this day. So the Ravan is being symbolizing the evil, and Rama is being celebrated as an ideal for the goodness. So the Dashera festival is celebrated. Then comes Muslims. Muslims celebrate many festivals, but the important one of this is the Eid. Eid is celebrated after a fasting of the whole month, that is called as Ramzan. So on the day of the Eid, they make sevaiya, and before Eid is being celebrated after seeing the moon. So on that they make sevaiya, they go to the mosque to offer prayers, that is called as namaz. Then after offering prayers, they embrace each other by saying Eid Mubarak, and girls in the family get a cash gift, that is called as Eidi. Then comes Sikhs. Sikhs celebrate a festival called as Guru Parv. Now what do they do on the Guru Parv? A huge procession is being taken out. They make Babaji, that is called as the Guru Granth Sahib, the holy book of the Sikhs, on a decorated cart throughout the city, and then they also show some gatkas, some activities on the road. Then finally they offer food to various people, that is called as langar. Then finally we have one more sect in our country, that is called as Christians. They celebrate a festival just to mark birthday of Lord Jesus Christ on 25th of December every year, that is called as Christmas. On the day they decorate Christmas tree with bells, then they sing jingle bells, they put small gifts onto it, lights, etc. And the ladies at home, they bake various types of cake. Plum cake is one of the important cake they do make on Christmas. And children do love a very important thing on the Christmas, that is the gifts from the Santa Claus. Nowadays, Santa Claus are their parents, their grandparents. What do? They keep the gift below the bed or under the pillow of the children. And when the child gets up in the morning, he or she sees the gift, and then parents say, "Beta, kal Santa आया था रात को और आपको ये गिर करके गया है." So, what are festivals? Festivals are a time of enjoyment and fun. They develop a feeling of oneness and togetherness. So we should celebrate festivals with lot of enthusiasm because they change our monotonous life. So we should enjoy and relish the different types of dishes that is being made. So enjoy. Okay, that's for today.